Welcome to this market overview of the SMT Screen Printer Market. The global SMT Screen Printer Market was valued at around USD 1.35 billion in 2024 and is expected to grow at a CAGR of approximately 6.2% through 2031. This growth is driven by rising demand for compact and high-performance electronic devices across industries. Growth is fueled by increasing adoption of consumer electronics, electric vehicles, and 5G infrastructure. Global semiconductor sales crossed USD 526 billion in 2023, highlighting strong demand for advanced electronics manufacturing. Automation and precision manufacturing are also driving the adoption of advanced SMT printing systems. Asia-Pacific dominates the market, accounting for over 50% share, driven by large-scale electronics manufacturing in China, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan. North America and Europe follow, supported by strong investments in semiconductor production and industrial automation. Emerging markets in Latin America and the Middle East and Africa are growing steadily due to increasing industrialization and electronics demand. Consumer electronics represent the largest application segment, followed by automotive and industrial electronics. Fully automatic SMT screen printers dominate due to higher efficiency and precision. To know more about our research services, visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.